In this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy Bolt.new website on Netlify. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside Bolt.new, of course, you want to get your website onto your computer. So I have a website over here. You want to go to the very top left inside your project and click on your project name, and then hover over export and click on download. This will download the zip folder of your project over here, and then you want to go ahead and go to Netlify here, click on the projects tab on the left hand side and click on add new project, and then click on deploy manually. When you do that over here, you then want to just drag and drop this. So here I have the project. I'm going to drag and drop it, and as you can see here, in just a few seconds it's going to start building and deploying. And here, as you can see, it says deploy in progress for this specific project, and then whenever that's done, basically I've successfully deployed my website on Netlify. Okay, and then it's going to be over here inside deploys. So as you can see here, it's pretty much still doing the processing, stuff like that, and it's now over here. If I go under deploys, it's now inside deploys. So let me actually go out here, open a project, and as you can see here, there we go, this is the website which I have deployed. So that's that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.